Hey, what's up guys? So if you are interested in boats with a strong personality, you will be familiar with the famous Targa from Finland, a true benchmark in the field, starting with this iconic Targa 32. Let's check it out. The Targa 32 is one of the most iconic models from the Bostian Marine shipyard in northwest Finland. Renowned for its manufacturing quality and ability to take on all seas, the Targa range includes a dozen models from 23 to 49 feet.
Hello, I'm Robert Karppala and I'm the CEO of Botnia Marine, the builder of Targa boats in Finland. We're now on board the Targa 32 off-door, which is a new version of the Targa 32. As you can see here, we have the off-door, a very bright and open space in the pilot house, and easy access from the pilot house to the off-deck. We have been doing this version also before, but now we have renewed the version, and it's been a good addition to the layouts and alternatives that we can offer on the Targa 32. We have the flybridge, we have the straight roof without flybridge, and we also have the off-door version, so we can actually offer three different versions of the aft wall and aft deck and the roof. The Targa 32 is instantly recognizable. A solid and elegant look, a design inspired by the traditional boats of the Baltic Sea. The Targa 32 also features a large aft cockpit with plenty of seating, access to the swimming platform and access to the engines. At the bow, there is another space dedicated to relaxation or fishing with, one time again, plenty of storage space. The distinctive feature of Targa boats is their low center of gravity, giving them excellent sea holding qualities. Regarding the performance, with two Volvo 320 horsepower diesel engines, the Targa reaches 45 mph, a fine performance for a 40,000 pound boat. Inside, you will find the same warm Scandinavian decor, including an adjustable dashboard, a galley and a comfortable L-shaped seating area. The boat also features two comfortable cabins, one forward and a larger one aft with three berths. This is also where the head is located. The 2023 version of the Targa 32 benefits from a facelift with the addition of an aft door.
The element forced the shipyard to modify the interior layout, starting with the corner saloon. The build quality is simply impressive, a robustness that has earned Targa the nickname of the 4x4 of the seas. And it only takes a few miles at the helm to understand why.